Adam Gower here from California, and I have some quick questions for you. Are you a real estate developer wanting to raise capital and expand your investor network? Even if you don't need more money today, do you ever wonder what will happen during the next downturn when distressed deal flow increases, but your investor network can't keep up? And if so, have you started raising capital online yet, or even thought about it? I've been in real estate, finance, investment, and development all my life, and I've raised over $500 million in equity for commercial real estate deals. I've gone from talking in person to everybody that I know, to physically conducting pitch meetings, handing out printed deal memos, to even making cold calls. But over the past 4 or 5 years, something dramatically changed the way that developers raise money for their deals. Through regulatory changes and the raw power of online marketing, developers just like you are raising hundreds of millions of dollars for their deals in a matter of hours, entirely online. Developers are putting their finance on autopilot by setting up systems that do it all for them. How would it feel to be able to concentrate on the deals and have systems in place that automatically generate all the equity capital that you need? If this is making any sense to you, or you're even thinking about expanding your investor base, you've landed in exactly the right place today. In this video, you're going to find out everything that you need to start raising capital online. If you click the link below, you're going to find a free mini course on how to raise money for your deals from anyone, anytime, anywhere. A downloadable list of every marketplace in America where you can list your deals as though it were the MLS or CoStar, so that you can raise money from online investors. And you'll get access to my entire YouTube library of conversations with many of the leaders of this industry, so that you can hear best practices directly from them. Finally, how would you like me to tell you absolutely for free what you need to do to start raising equity capital online in exactly the same way as the best of the best are doing it today? If that sounds of interest, go ahead and click the link below for more information, and I shall see you soon.